What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can close or delete your InDigital Works account. So let's get started. Now first off, you would need to go to the InDigitalWorks.com or their website. Once you're on their website, just go ahead and scroll down to the bottom right here on this footer menu, and on this menu under the Our Links option, just go ahead and click Contact Us right here. From here, just select Send a Support Ticket. Here, if you didn't log in, you would just need to log in before you can do that. Now just click Submit New Ticket, and here you can select General. Now under the subject section you can just write Account Closure, and in the message just simply write I would like to close my InDigital Works account. Once you did that, you can click Submit Ticket. Once you did that, you can submit the ticket. And there we go. So they will contact you through the email of your account. That's why you need to be logged in before you can submit the ticket. So just keep an eye on your account that's associated with the InDigital Works website. And from there, you will be able to close your account. And that's guys how you can delete or close your InDigital Works account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.